Ron knows stuff here with this beautiful 2019 Toyota Tacoma. And this has the TRD package, huh? It's a great vehicle, but you know what's wrong with it? The radio. The stock radio just doesn't have a lot of functions. And quite honestly, I've gotten used to having CarPlay and or Android Auto. So what do I offer? I can take out this whole system, or I can buy this from Car ABC. I'll put a link in the description, and this thing will add CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, don't be intimidated by all these wires. This is a kit you can easily install yourself and save a bunch of money. Those wires are just plug and play. The instruction manual is very easy to follow, and you can just set it up. This is everything it's compatible with. I'll put an Amazon link to this product in the description so you can go get it there. I am an Amazon associate, so I do get a spiff, but don't worry about that. Take a look at this product. You can pre-plug in all the wires, and then you're going to go inside the truck. Once you got this unit all ready together, that's the wireless functionality right there being screwed in. You go inside your truck or any Toyota vehicle that this fits, and you just pull off the panel. You don't need any of the little tchotchkes to pull it off. It just gently pull it off. And then you're going to use your 11 millimeter socket wrench, and there's 4 sockets, 1, 2 on each side, 3, 4. So once you've done that, you just put it down a little towel so that you don't scratch your unit. You want to keep that factory look. And then you just unplug. Anything you unplug plugs right into the other unit. There's all the wires, and you just swap each plug out. It's very simple. Now this one, you have to take that little tchotchke there and set that up to a number 5 so it plays with this unit. But again, you pull out a plug, you plug in a plug. It's so easy. You can do it yourself. You don't have to hire this out, which will save you money and give you that factory look. Now, before I put everything together, I always like to test it out to make sure that it didn't break anything. And as you can see here, it still does the natural Toyota boot up, gives you that warning panel, shows you their traditional screen, but a couple of buttons to press will allow you to hook up the Bluetooth. And again, this comes with the option so you can wire it in or Bluetooth it. We chose the Bluetooth. Just hit the buttons and it takes you over to the unit, and then you tell it you're going to do wireless, you pair it, which is what it's doing right now, the pair code. And then let's see what happens. Ta-da! There's Apple CarPlay. Of course, it's Apple CarPlay because we have an Apple phone, but it will do the Android Auto as well. And again, this can be wired or wireless. So we went with the wireless option. As you can see, now we're just buttoning everything in. The nice thing is there's a lot of room in here, and it just pushes in. Now, there is sometimes getting it in. You might run into a little issue, but the easiest thing to do is just play with it, and you'll get it all in there. It looks like a lot, and it is, but just play with it, and you will get it in there. Sometimes you might have to release some of the wiring harness wrapping so that you can press the wires around, and that's what we had to do. But once we did that, and man, it just went right on in. So once you get it all set up and you put it in, you want to just reverse the order of the way you took it apart. Put it all back together. And again, once I tighten all the screws before I put the trim piece on, I fire it up to make sure everything's still working fine, because I don't want to have to redo the job. So remember, there is a link to what this is in the description and what models it fits once you hit that link. I do get a spiff if you buy it through the link, but man, this is just so much better than having to buy a whole new radio and pay someone else to do it. You can do it yourself. I believe in you because Ron knows stuff, Mrs. Ron knows stuff, and now guess what? You know stuff too. Bye for now.